I am all about the reusable bags right now, and these are awesome. These were sent for my review, and I don't think I've ever used a nicer reusable bag. Love the fact that when you're not using them, they fold nice and flat, so these can just sit on top of each other in the trunk of my car. They are not going to take up a ton of space, and this is way better than the bags that I currently use that are literally just kind of floating all over the place. At least these will just kind of stay put. So these right here, as you see, once you fold them up, you have the bottom right here, and this just pops out. Let me just grab this. So this is what's keeping it stand up nice and straight. I do love it. And it was really interesting. My husband was the one who pointed this out. He doesn't do the grocery shopping. That's why I think it's interesting. But he's like, I love the fact that when you pack this up and then it's going to go in your car, it's actually just going to stand up straight, and your groceries aren't going to be like all over the place willy-nilly. You know, you put them in the car, some things are on the side. So now everything's going to stack and it's going to stay. I think I read that something like this can hold up to like 36 cans of like regular size soup. So these are really heavy duty. You've got the really nice long durable straps, which I think is really great. You know, if you wanted to wash, this is not something you're gonna put in the washing machine, but of course you can just take like a wet wipe or like a, you know, Clorox wipe and just kind of clean the straps and wipe down the inside if need be. Does come in lots of different colors. Clearly this one here is the navy, but if you're looking for some reusable bags that are also collapsible, won't take up a ton of space, these are fantastic.